Hi, my name is Anna Pavla, and I am in the dental radiography class of fall 2022. And I just wanted to come on here and show you two pictures of when I was in Gasigok, which is like 30 miles, or about like 40 miles from Bethel. And I just wanted to show you of this flat land with those electricity lines, strange clouds, dark blue in the back. And then this next picture of a springtime breakup when water was just too much and it just kept rising and rising, and it's already like a not deep water, so, and it's just like pretty shallow, so as it just kept rising, people were able to park closer and closer to their homes when originally they would park just down there below that red shop. I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. I'll see you next week.